Olemme Etelä-Moldovassa Doinan kylässä jakamassa paketteja ja tässä on yhteyshenkilömme pastori Vasile.
Yeah, I am Vasile Dinka from Kabul, Republic of Moldova. I am the vice president, the president of the association in Moldova. And we thank you for all people from Finland who give us the gift for Christmas. We distribute for 1,000 people, children from Moldova, from poor children and for invalid, handicapped, and all children who want to thank you for all your love and all your gift and money put in the, for Christmas and for obey Jesus Christ. Thanks very much for this gift. Bye.